Since it is given that the graph is in the shape of a parabola, it will be a quadratic. To find the zeros, we identify the points at which the graph cuts the x-axis. Therefore, the required zeros are -2 and 3. We have already identified the zeros as -2 and 3. Take them as alpha and beta. Directly substitute into the first formula, or find alpha plus beta and alpha beta and substitute into the second formula. Normally we would just put k equal to 1, but in this problem they have given the condition that the curve passes through 0, -3. We will use that condition to find k. We could also have substituted directly for alpha and beta. Use distribution law. Use P of 0 equal to -3 to find the value of k. In this problem, we are given alpha equal to -5 and beta equal to 3. Substitute into the formula.